All right, mate. So let's have a look here. BSV. You were talking about your long earlier. Still very choppy, but we have, as you're talking about, the couple of things we do like here is the fact that this has put in a bit of a deviation below this pivot. Now that can be very powerful in the right circumstances. So it is Sunday here. The price is down 1%. You don't expect a big move today, but and the whole market is very quiet anyway. Majority of it, farm is up 14%, but everything else is not doing anything yet. But you kind of have to like something like here. You get the move back up. Maybe it bounces 1 or 2% today and finishes fairly strong. But what you'd be looking for is something like this, where there is not much downside and you get continuation. That's the elements of a BART. If you start dipping back down, it gets less and less likely that it's going to work out. Sure, you can have a little bit down, a little bit more than this wick, but ideally you'll want to see for it to be acting very strong, pretty much off the open. Small dip down, flip green on a new week, and then attempt to BART back up. And if it does then have that move back up, well, you can probably suspect then it wants to come back up even higher. So it's definitely an interesting situation here on this. Now, if I zoom out a little bit and I show you this situation, if you are red on a new week, you can see what happened last time. There was still a lot of consolidation. Sometimes you don't get that continuation to the upside. You can see here this flip red, and we continued down for another couple of weeks, and there was still a lot of chop. So you really only want to be trading it if the market is showing you it wants to go long, and if it actually flips green. Small wick down, flips green, you can get on board. Otherwise, if it's red, something like this can happen. It can still chop about for a period. So that's what I would expect, and that's the way I would trade it.